3. Roman 4. Drawbacks of conducting an interim audit. Drawbacks of conducting an interim audit. And before that, another point, candidates, important one on the final audit is a review of events after reporting period. When conducting a final audit, it's very important to carry out a review of events after the reporting period. That is International Standards on Auditing number 560. These are subsequent events, okay? Events after the reporting period. The auditor should review these events when carrying out the final audit. Now, what are the drawbacks of an interim audit? The disadvantages of an interim audit. One obvious disadvantage is that figures may be altered. When an interim audit is conducted, then figures may be altered in the accounts which have already been audited. There is risk of figures being altered. It's very easy for a conniving accountant to alter figures that have already been audited. An interim audit may also give the audit staff more strain. It's strenuous on the audit staff to conduct an interim audit, then to conduct another one at the end of the accounting period, the final audit. More strain to the audit staff. An interim audit also means additional work. It means additional work. Leads to additional work means more hours, and more hours may lead to higher audit fees. So it may be strenuous, it may be expensive, and so on. So additional work may require more audit staff. So these are some of the drawbacks of conducting an interim audit. Give 2, I've given you 3. 1, 2, 3, 2 marks.